Hi, my name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a Christmas tree. In this video, I'm going to use fabric, Christmas colors, scissors, ruler, stuffing, paper and pencil. Take your paper and measure 22 centimeters. Here measure 18 centimeters. Centimeters, 9 centimeters. Okay, and draw. Okay, like that. Here is 22 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and 9 centimeters. Right, so now take your fabric, like that, place on fold, and this side goes on fold like this. Pin and cut. Okay, like that. Remove pins. So go ahead and cut on the other fabric here and here. Iron. Fold here and iron. Okay, like that. Right sides facing, take one of these, right sides facing, and take one of these. Okay, place together, pin, and go to your machine and sew from here. Do not sew here, do not sew here, sew from here, like that, like that, like that. And sew from here like that, here right round and stop here. Do not sew here. Do that for 1, 2, 3. Okay, after sewing, take your scissors and snip here. So go ahead and do that right round for all of this, like this. Okay, turn inside out. So now take your Christmas trees here, put one, alternate the colors like this. Okay, and sew here. Okay, it's done. It looks like this. Alright, so now take your stuffing and insert here. And use something sharp to fill it in. Okay, go on and fill in all of these. Okay, it's done. It's looking very nice. Okay, and now take your thread and needle and sew right here. Maita basani kuona. Thank you for watching. Niche Create. Arigato. Bye.